Welcome to the demo of the 25A feature, Add Descriptive Flexfields to Workstations. Workstations are physical locations where operators execute work order operations. With this update, you can now define descriptive flexfields for a workstation when creating or editing the workstation. User-defined attributes provide additional information such as workstation type, identification code, location details, or other business-relevant information. These can be customized to meet a user's specific operational needs. Configured descriptive flex fields are made available to the operators for viewing while they are executing operations at a workstation. These can also be extracted for data analytics with user-defined context. Now let's look at a demo scenario for this feature. I would launch the Workstations task in Work Definition Work Area, select a workstation, and edit its details. In the Additional Information section, I will configure the descriptive flex fields that are available for the Workstations object. After the workstation descriptive flex fields have been configured, we would look at it from the Execute Production at Workstation task in the Work Execution Work Area. Launch the Workstations task in Work Definition Work Area. Configure the descriptive flex fields available for the Workstations object by editing the workstation and updating information in the Additional Information section. Descriptive flex fields can be defined, managed, and deployed in the Manage Descriptive Flex Fields task in Functional Setup Manager. After the production operator checks into a workstation, the Additional Information section in the Workstation Details page contains all the descriptive flex fields configured by the manufacturing engineer for the workstation. This concludes the demo for this feature. Thank you.